Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to fix light and camera in Blender software. Okay. So first open Blender software. Okay. We open the screencast key so you can show the symbol. Okay. Now first delete this cube using press X and delete. Okay. Now open some files. Okay. Okay. So first we are fixing the light. Okay, this is a light. Already there is one light here. Okay, this light. We want to move. We can move this light using press G. Okay, now we want to adjust some more lights here. So press Shift A and here is the option of light. So you can choose point light, sunlight, spot, area according to your choice. Okay, here we have take the sunlight. This is sunlight. Again press G. Clear sunlight and press G. So you can move this sunlight like this. Okay. You can copy this. Press Shift D and copy one more sunlight. Okay. Here you can fix the power 1000 watt, 2000 watt from here. Okay, and you also fix the radius. What should be the radius for light? Okay, now we have take image from here, render image. This is an image of object. So you can take good image using fix this light, position of this light, proper position of these lights. Okay, now we have to fix the camera. So for fixing the camera, press Ctrl Alt 0. Okay, shortcut Ctrl Alt and 0. Now this. Okay, now camera is moved with object. Okay, now we have to fix this camera. Go to view and camera view. Now this camera is fixed and we can zoom out and zoom in the object. Now we can take the render image. Fix light, take this one. Take render image from here. Okay, there is some shadow near these pillars, so you can fix from here. Okay. Control D and copy this one. Now check render image. Okay. Fix this one here. render image. Okay, now it's looks good, but there is some shadow. Okay, so you can fix from here. Now it's looking, I think, good, but there is some shadow, so you can fix this one. So how to save this image? Take render image. Okay, now go to image and save it. Save as you save. Okay, like this here. Save images. Give the name Nanoroad. Okay, like this. And save this one. The problem is this. I'm showing you. Okay, the problem is when you take the image, there is a black background. Okay. Copy here in PowerPoint. Oh, I already removed the background. So how you can remove the background? Simply go here, this render properties. Okay, and there is an option of fill and take a transparent background. Okay, so when we take the image, there is no background. Okay, okay, this image. Okay, this image is with background, this is without background. So how to remove background? Using simple from here. Fill transparent background and then take render image and save this one. Okay, thank you.